Climate change is having some unexpected impact around the world.
The entire lore against climate change is really concerning. I've been seeing extremist narratives like the billions of people are going to die, we are going extinct, the earth is dying, all these narratives for almost 5 years now. But here's the thing, how much of these narratives are really true? Climate activists around the world are protesting, and honestly I think it's a really good thing. I think they have a really valid reason to do so. The summers are getting hotter, the winters are getting colder, and the earth is getting really hot. And this is also the same meta narrative that is being propagated by the mainstream media, and people get trained on this meta narrative and the people start to think and act like the world is going to end. When you consume something from the media, you have to ask yourself, as I do, how much of these narratives are intended for true altruistic purposes and how much of these narratives are said to get the attention and fulfill financial interest. Because at the end of the day, media is a business. Now, with that said, my understanding of climate change is real, but it is a gradual incremental impact which we need to mitigate, but it is not an existential crisis. There are still parts of the world living in extreme poverty with poor infrastructure, literacy rate, relying heavily on cheap energy for survival. And the fight against climate change requires team effort. That's why we need to prioritize solving people's problem like poverty and education. Because when we do that, when we equip people with better life, they will have more capacity for adaptation and innovation. Ultimately, I believe innovation and technology is going to play a crucial role in the fight against climate change. Because wishful thinking, telling people what to do without providing cheap and efficient alternatives is not going to do anything. I just wanted to talk about this issue because I've been seeing a lot of climate related meta narratives for a very long time. So I thought about making a video about this. And that's about it. See you soon.